Your mind isn't broken, it's overloaded. You've spent years reacting instead of leading, scrolling instead of thinking, escaping instead of confronting. Your thoughts have been shaped by chaos, not intention. Before you rebuild your mind, you must first understand what damaged it. Lack of direction, lack of purpose, lack of discipline. These are not your flaws. They are symptoms. Symptoms of a mind running on autopilot. Today, we shut that down. To rebuild your mind, you need a reset. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready. Now, the reset begins with awareness. Awareness of your thoughts, your habits, and your environment. You cannot change what you refuse to confront. Confront this truth. You've been living the same day on repeat. The same distractions, the same excuses, the same comfort loops. Break the loop, and your mind begins to wake up. With a reset in motion, it's time to rebuild the foundation. Small, consistent actions, not massive bursts of effort, rebuild a man. These are the pillars. 1. Discipline over motivation. 2. Clarity over chaos. 3. Focus over distraction. 4. Intention over autopilot. When your habits shift, your mind resets. When your mind resets, your life transforms. A rebuilt mind requires a new identity. You cannot stay the man you were and expect a different life. Identity is shaped by repetition. Every action you take is a vote for who you become. If you want strength, act strong. If you want self-respect, act with discipline. If you want progress, act with intention. Your identity is not discovered, it is built. This is where your new path begins. Not in some distant future. Here, now. Rebuilding your mind is not a one-time event. It is a daily commitment to rise above the man you used to be. Every day you take action, you cast a vote for a stronger version of yourself. Your future is not waiting for inspiration. Your future is waiting for action. Start now. Your new mind is ready to be built.